Assalamu alaikum. Our lesson today is about the throat. It is the second of the 5 main articulation points, or makharij. The throat holds 3 makharij, or articulation points, for 6 letters. The lower part of the throat, the middle of the throat, and the top of the throat. We will start with the lower part of the throat, which is the exit point for the hamza and ha. Pay attention to the following points when you pronounce them. Let's start with the hamza. The hamza is a light letter.
أصحاب أصحاب والذين كفروا بآياتنا هم أصحاب المشأمة.
Round your lips well when pronouncing the hamza with a dhamma.
أولئك هم خير البرية.
Take your time and pronounce the hamza with care, especially if the hamza carries a sukun.
يؤمنون فما لهم لا يؤمنون.
Pronounce the hamza clearly at a stop so that it does not disappear.
السماء يشاء ينزل بقدر ما يشاء.
Let's move now to the ha, which also exits from the lower part of the throat. The ha is a light letter, so recite it with care.
والنهار إذا جلاها.
Give the ha with a haraka its full right and do not hurry past it.
وهو على كل شيء قدير.
Here's another example.
وسبحه ليلا طويلا.
Take care not to hide the ha at a stop. Recite it clearly.
ما هي وما أدراك ما هي.
Let's move now to the middle of the throat, which is the exit point for the ayn and ha. Let's begin with the ayn. Recite the ayn carefully, taking care to preserve the lightness of the letter as well as giving it its complete time. These are some examples.
سيعلمون كلا سيعلمون. يشفع عنده من ذا الذي يشفع عنده. يعلم ألم يعلم بأن الله يرى.
The ha also exits from the middle of the throat and is characterized by a release of air.
أحكم أليس الله بأحكم الحاكمين. ألا سبحانه وتعالى.
Now we turn to the upper throat, which is the exit point of the ghain and kha, although the kha is closer to the mouth than the ghain. The kha is characterized by a release of air.
أخلده يحسب أن ماله أخلده.
The ghain is characterized by a vibration in the throat.
أغنى ووجدك عائلا فأغنى.
These are a few points of introduction about the articulation point of the throat. Insha'Allah, with a little practice, your recitation will be improved. Ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for help and depend on His aid. Barakallahu bikum. You've lit up the sky with 9 stars.